you would be fine to just put something in there. Like you could just, I mean, and how much of this plot can you use? Are we talking?
We
We can use all of it.
You can use like that. That's what it is.
Yep.
Yeah.
That whole length.
Yeah. So that's a quarter. That's just a little under a quarter acre. So you could, I mean, yeah, your polytunnels. Morning light is very important with greenhouses. And so the challenge here is that you do have a western slope, meaning that probably this time of year, I'm just taking a guess, direct sunlight isn't on here till like 9 a.m.
Oh, yeah. At least, yeah.
Am I right? Okay.
The further you go to the east, up the hill there,
yeah,
it's a really big hill. The sun doesn't pop up until quite late.
Like 10 or something.
Maybe, yeah. But
I don't know. Out at all.
I don't know if you saw on our tour video in the.
No, I couldn't watch it because I didn't. Well, I didn't see the one that you originally sent. I couldn't watch, and then
in the walled garden,
here it
right
is.
on the tennis court and stuff. You see the lawn area in there.
Yeah.
We can fit a polytunnel in there, and we plan to do that in the winter.
Okay. Yep.
Because then it's in the same vicinity as where we grow everything else, and it's just the right amount of space.
Right. So here we go. My apologies. I didn't notice that other link that you sent. So here we go. Do you want me to? Can you see that?
Yeah,
we can see that.
Do you want me to scan around in here? Is there anything?
Yeah. Can do. Where does it?
If you kind of skip to.
So you're in that orchard here now.
Yeah. So that bit down there, that's the slope.
Oh, right in front of you there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's where we could put the tunnel.
It's a little bit steep at the top, but at the bottom there, it's quite flat.
Well, you know what might be interesting actually is it's not ideal, but let me just share my Google Earth again, because I'm realizing that it might actually make sense to put it actually, so you're walking right in here, eh, Charlotte? That's where that was?
Yeah.
And then there's that wall I could see. It actually might make sense to just put a tunnel, run it north and south, and just bang it right down there like that.
Yeah.
That's one place we had considered it actually.
Because you'll get as soon as the morning light comes up there, you'll get stuff in there. I mean, and again, it's always context. And so how much production are you trying to do in the winter?
To be honest, it probably wouldn't be a
full winter thing.
It would really be season extension.
It's season extension. Yeah. I mean, logistically, as far as doing the least amount of messing around with the ground and having this fit into the constraints of the area that you have, putting your tunnel there would make the most sense. You could even have a second tunnel here. Probably it would start to slope up on the ground a bit, but
we could.
That's okay.
We've got a digger in there before.
You could terrace it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. If you can terrace it.
In there to do the orchard, and
okay.
I don't see why we couldn't do that for there too.
Right.